Meaning of greetings card.
Greetings card.
Greetings card.
Greetings card.
Greetings card. A greetings card is a piece of paper or cardstock that is intended to convey a message of goodwill or congratulations. These cards are often sent on special occasions such as birthdays, weddings, or holidays. Greetings cards can be purchased from various retailers in a wide range of formats and designs. They typically include a printed message or blank space for a personalized message, as well as an envelope for mailing. Some greetings cards may also feature decorative elements such as ribbons, flowers, or glitter. Overall, greetings cards serve as a thoughtful way to express sentiment and connect with others.